She wants to drink. So right now, Peanut's not doing too well. I've got her on some electrolytes. We had a pack of Chick electrolytes, so she's been drinking that. But I just dissolved some feed in water, and I'm just gonna put the feed water into the electrolytes without the chunks and see how she does. Hopefully she perks up. Look at you, baby girl. You feeling better? Oh, good girl. She wasn't even standing before or making any noise. Now she's trying. Sadly, our little Peanut didn't make it, but she was loved till the end. She took her last breath at 7:30 tonight, and then my husband and our oldest daughter went ahead and went back to the store to get a replacement. One replacement Chick. Here she is. One, two, three, four, five, six. Making our chickie total up to 13. And our total bird count is now 65. Hi, babies. So many babies, huh?
Happy bear.
Yeah, babies.
Mama.
Look at them all go.
Hi, bunny.
No, not bunnies. They're chickies.
I'm Chicky.
They're chickies.
And I'm Chicky.
Yeah.
Chicky stop. No, no. Not chicken now. Not chicken now. Kitty now.